Namaste, Adab, Sister Kal. Those who don't know me, this is me, Alice Raj, and welcome back to my channel, Small Steps Towards Bigger Dreams. So today's topic is all about hand sanitizer, how to make hand sanitizer at home, how to make disinfectant at home, because these are the things which are actually, in the market, sold at the market at double price or triple price, and or they are not available. So I got one request. One of my well-wisher asked me how to make a homemade sanitizer and homemade disinfectant, and another one asked me how to make face mask. So I'm really sorry I won't be including face mask topic in this video today, but yes, in the video I'm going to post on Monday, I'll be including and talking about the face mask in detail. So yes, stay tuned and keep your loves and shower blessing in like this. I'm really happy, and I cannot express my happiness and my gratitude towards you people. And I'm really sorry for my parents right now. Basically, I have actually applied my onion oil, which I made in my second last video, I should say. So yes, I'll be sharing the description link in the description box, so that you can actually see what that video was all about, and how the onion oil is made, and how it has been helpful, or it has proven to be helpful in my case, and how it's going to help you in your hair growth and remove that baldness and everything. So yes, as the corona pandemic is going on, these are the things which are needed to be taken care of, how you can boost your immunity. So when I was talking in my last video to boost your immunity, one of my well-wisher asked me how to do so. So yes, I'm going to show that in this video also. So these are the three topics, and I have gathered all the videos. I hope you guys are going to like it. I'm really excited because this is my first video where I have made my introduction also, and I'm going to start this video with my introduction. Thank you so much, and thank you guys. This is a section where I'm talking about the immunity build-up or immunity boosting products. So citrus fruits are the ones which are going to give you the most of the immunity, because they have vitamin C. Red bell pepper is having vitamin C twice as much as the citrus fruits are having. Broccoli is packed up, jam packed, but it's not available, so it's okay. Garlic is ever ready, garlic and ginger are always there, always present in our kitchen, so we don't have to worry about it. It's so much effective and with no side effects. All this spinach, yogurt, these all have all the things. Yogurt especially, you guys take it in the afternoon, do not take it in the evening time. Almonds, take it in the morning time. Turmeric, you can take it anytime. Is most effective is in the night time with the milk. If you're milk intolerant, lactose intolerant, then take it with the warm water. Green tea is very good. Papaya, I don't know it's available, but if it's available, then do take papaya and kiwi, because they are jam packed with vitamin C and vitamin K, and they are very good for your health. Chicken is now being said that it's not having any kind of coronavirus in it. You can take it. Sunflower seeds are very easily available, you can eat it. So guys, we are going to talk about the DIY hand sanitizer right now. Basically, so I have taken the aloe vera extract from the plant itself. If you have, then you can use the aloe vera gel also, but I wasn't having, unfortunately, so I'm not using it anymore. And then you have to add this Dettol. So what you're going to do, actually, you're just going to take the 3 tablespoons of your aloe vera gel, and then you're going to add the 2 tablespoons of your Dettol, and then mix that all up after pouring it into a bottle and then using it. Guys, I have added all the aloe vera gel into this bottle, so I'm just really want to tell you that it can be really tricky to put it inside, as it was really I found it really tricky to put it inside. Now that's the only thing I wanted to tell you about it. I'm not going to add the Dettol, and we'll see how it turns up. We have to mix it after this, and then it's ready to use. Just that's now what I'm going to do with this leftover aloe vera leaf. So nothing, it's just you can use it on your face. You can apply it on your face after washing. You can apply it on your hair, on your scalp after on a clean scalp after obviously not a build-up should be there, product build-up should not be there. That means your hair should be clean, so you can apply this aloe vera directly onto your scalp, and it's going to have no side effects whatsoever if you're going to apply it on your face, if you're going to apply it on your this thing on your scalp. But do remember that do not keep this into the fridge and and then use it later. Please do not do that thing, because that will just kill all the magical properties aloe vera has. And just use it within 20 minutes, within half an hour. It took time for me, otherwise I would have used it. So yes, I'm going to use it on my face, and whatever is left I'm going to apply it on my hands also. Can you see Dettol has been poured it? Now it's time to close it and mix it quickly. Can you see guys, my hand sanitizer, it is ready. It will be having a foamy appearance like this. I'm trying to keep my camera steady as much as possible. So yes, can you see now? My hand sanitizer is ready. This is the only bottle which I was having, so I have cleaned this bottle properly. And yes, I have used the Dettol also to clean this bottle after washing it with the soap and hot water. So yes, this is my hand sanitizer and I'm going to use it. So guys, you can use camphor oil, eucalyptus oil, lemon oil. These are all the essential oils you can use in your DIY hand sanitizer. If you're using all these essential oils, if you have, first of all, you can use it. I don't have, so that's the reason I didn't use it. The first thing, if you're using it, will be good smell coming out of it. So yes, you can use it for that purpose. And another purpose is that if you're having a cut or a wound, a recent wound you're having, then it will actually help those wounds to heal faster. Apart from giving you antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, antiseptic properties, these oil also not antiseptic, antimicrobial, antifungal, antimicrobial, antibacterial properties these oil gives. Apart from that, you get the healing properties also in these oils. So yes, you can use these oils in this hand sanitizer. What is another way of making a disinfectant? What you can do is take water, or like I said, drinking water, and then boil it and then let it cool. Afterwards only you use it, otherwise it has chances of burning. You have chances of burning yourself. So yes, take the water and then pour in some lemon juice, white vinegar. So quantity should be like your water should be of 1/4 quarter and your white vinegar should be of 3/4 quarter. Then yes, pour in some lemon juice, and you can add in some salt also. Some people do add the baking soda also. So if you're going to add all these things, well, I do not add baking soda, neither I'm going to suggest you. Well, first and foremost, I'm not having the white vinegar to show you. That's the reason I'm not showing you, but just telling you. So you can do it all the things. And yes, if you're going to add all these things, it's going to be your DIY disinfectant, and you can use it. And it's the same effectiveness it is having if you're not having the Dettol in your hand. Another way of, I forgot to tell you that another way of making the hand sanitizer is rubbing alcohol. So if you're having a rubbing alcohol, mix 50-50 ratio should be there. That 50% of purified water, or if you don't have the purified water like I am not having, so I'm going to use just though the rubbing alcohol is not available, so that's the reason I'm just doing this DIY with Dettol. So what you're going to do is take the rubbing alcohol, and if you have 100 ml of a rubbing alcohol bottle with you, then 100 ml of water you'll be using purified drinking water or drinking water after boiling it and letting it cool. So mix all those up and pour it in a bottle, and your DIY hand sanitizer is ready. So these are the three ways you can make your DIY hand sanitizer, and yes, 2 ways to make your DIY disinfectant. I hope you guys like it. And washing technique. So just take in some liquid and apply it onto your hands. First palm to palm, then back of the palm, then interlacing, then knuckles, then thumb, then side surface of your hands, then you're rubbing your fingertips to your palms, and lastly is your wrist. Do all these steps twice, and then your 20 seconds will be over. You have to wash your hands for 20 seconds. Not washing your hands under the water is not counted. Washing your hands with the soap, scrubbing your hand with the soap for 20 seconds is what is most important. So again, I'm going to show you palm to palm, back of the palm, that is one step only. Interlacing. Third step is your knuckles. Fourth, your thumb, side of your hand. You're rubbing your fingertips onto your palms, and lastly your wrist. Try to keep your fingernails short. If your nails are short, then obviously you will be having no dirt and dust or any disease carrying germs. And then wash your hands properly. So remember guys that washing hands under the tap is not what counted. That's not what 20-second part meant. Washing your hands, scrubbing your hands with the soap for 20 seconds, that is what everyone meant. I hope you guys now learned the washing technique, and this is very useful. You can use it on your daily basis purpose. Guys, if you're thinking that this is too much and this is a very lengthy process, oh my god, I used to wash my hands very quickly and very just like within a snap of my fingers. So if you're thinking like that, then I'm really sorry. The proper hand washing technique is this only, and this is what everyone is telling you. This is what everyone is suggesting you. So I am feeling really glad to tell you this, and I have been following, like I am a medical student, so I've been following this from the first of from the day actually I got my senses, because my mother was from the medical field also. So yes, I hope you guys you just need to practice this like once or twice. Do remember the steps, and do remember that you have to repeat those 7 steps the second time, then only your 20 seconds will be over. How are you going to make sure? You don't have to watch your watch for that. You don't have to look at the time, or you don't have to set a timer. How are you guys going to know that you have washed your hands or scrub your hand with soap for 20 seconds? So the trick is that 1001. So if you guys are saying 1001, 1002, when you complete saying 1001, that is completing 1 second. So if I am saying 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. But if you're going to sing 1001, 1002, 1003, like if you're going to be really quick, like we used to do when we were small, while counting the numbers in a game, so please don't do that. You're just going to it's not good at this point of time. It is really not good. So yes, count your do your counting slowly, count them very slowly, and you'll be actually come to know. You can practice it right now. You can see it right now that if you're saying 1001, that is completing your 1 second. So by the time you'll reach 1020, that will make you complete your 20 seconds. So that's how you're going to know that you have completed scrubbing your hands for 20 seconds, and now it's safe for you to actually wash it. And do remember that after frequently washing your hands or frequently using the hand sanitizer, your hands tend to get dry. So do use some moisturizer. Do moisturize your hand, otherwise the skin will start peeling off. Your hands will be itchy, or they will be dry, or they'll be you'll be seeing the white patches on your hands, and yes, you'll be seeing the cracks, and that is not good. That is not a good feeling. So yes, yes, you are keeping yourself by washing your hands properly, by maintaining the hygiene, but do take care of your hands also at the same time. I hope you guys like it. Now you guys can also follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I'm there with my full name, itsmeritss. So on TikTok I'm there with the name of Small Steps with my channel name, and on Instagram I'm there with the name of itsmeritss. So I hope to see you guys there, and have a nice time. Stay safe. May God bless you. There are 2 important things which I forgot to tell you, that if you're using rubbing alcohol as a hand sanitizer, or if you have made DIY hand sanitizer using rubbing alcohol, please remember that rubbing alcohol is highly inflammable, so please do not apply it onto your hands or onto your surfaces. Let it dry, and give the break for yourself, like for a minute or two. Do not go and switch on the gas, or do not do any gas work directly, because, or do not come into contact of fire, because if you are going to do so, then you really have high chances of burning yourself, because it is highly inflammable, like I said. So please guys, remember this saying: do not use rubbing alcohol when you are going to come in contact with fire. Okay. And another thing which I forgot to tell you is about DIY this immunity booster drink. You can actually just put 1 liter of water and let it simmer. Put in 2 tablespoons of turmeric into it, and then while it is simmering, let the water level come to half. Once it came to half, you can add in lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, basil leaves if it's available. It's not available in my area, everything is locked down, so yes, I do not use basil leaves. Add in some chopped ginger slices, and you can add in some pepper also for the taste, and you can add in honey also, pure honey obviously. So yes, if you're having a pure honey in your homes, then it's like voila, that's the very good thing, because ginger and everything, basically if you're adding in the lemon, then it will have or give you a sore throat kind of effect, a dry effect, when you'll drink it, after drinking it. So honey will moisturize, and it will have that sweetened feeling also, so it'll not be that bitter to drink. So yes, you can add all these things. You can add in ginger also into that one, while adding the lemon juice, and while adding the chopped ginger slices, you can add in the garlic also, I'm sorry. And then just let it cool, strain, and then you can drink that mixture. When it is lukewarm only, it's going to just kill all the bacteria which is there inside your throat. And remember that till 14 days you will not come to know that you have coronavirus. God forbid you will get, but whatever patients are getting, they will not come to know that they have coronavirus for 14 days. So yes, as it stays into your throat for 4 to 5 days, only hot water or hot things can kill it. This will be the major part, playing the major role in that one. So yes, do make this drink. I am drinking it, and I'm suggesting it to you also. And I hope you guys like my video, and I'm really sorry that I have to delete the first one, because of some reasons I wasn't able to post it properly. It was giving me the problem from the very start, and somehow I just couldn't end up getting it properly. So yes, I'm deleting my first video, and this is my second video on the same topic which I've posted. So I hope you guys like it, and do share and do support me like you supported me in the previous one. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. God bless you all.